Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a vegetarian chutney, that is a peanut dry chutney. It's a very healthy chutney. It's a typical Maharashtrian recipe and well, here it goes. Now the ingredients we require is 1 cup of raw peanuts, 10 to 12 garlic pods, then 2 teaspoon red chili powder, then cumin seed and salt. And I'll be grinding all this, okay? Okay, now here I am roasting the raw peanuts. If you already have roasted peanuts, you can skip this step. Fine. So this chutney is literally like every second week I prepare this chutney. So it goes very well with our vegetarian recipes lunch. And I've shared this recipe in Marathi last year, I think. So I will give you the link for Marathi video in my description box. Now here I have roasted the peanuts and I have peeled them. So fine. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon oil. Usually I don't use oil for this chutney at all, because our peanuts have a lot of oil in them itself, but with the oil there's a little change in the taste. So this, by roasting the jeera and the garlic, it gives a longer shelf life and the taste will change a little bit. Fine. So here the garlic goes in there. I'll be just lightly roasting them, okay? I don't have to fry them till they are golden brown. Just lightly roasting them. And now I will add the roasted and peeled peanuts. This is not only a tasty chutney, but it's very healthy. And if you go to these villages, they have it literally every day. So for this chutney, I had it first time at Jejuri. It's a holy place, and they had prepared puran polis, and in that simple lunch they had, and this chutney was served, and I just loved this chutney. So I got the recipe from my those priest and started preparing them at my place. And now it's a favorite with my family. I have this stored in a small bottle and it's kept on the dining table, and whenever we have veg food, we have this chutney. Now here I have put off the flame and added red chili powder, that is a Kashmiri chili powder, and salt. Okay, now we'll let this cool down before pounding them. I have a grinding stone given by my mom, but the monsoons are on and my grinding stone is in the terrace, so it's not practical to use it. So I'll be using my simple grinding stone I have at home. I'm in this small pounding. See here, now the peanuts are nice and cold, so I will start pounding them. Now I'll be keeping little big medium sized pieces. If I make them into a very fine powder, the coconut will start giving out its oil. Okay, so I don't want that to happen. I want the chutney to be dry. So it will be just semi, what do you say, the powder will not be completely powdered. It will be, you'll find peanut pieces in it. And that's how we like it at my place. Okay. Now while pounding this, you can see the garlic was also there. So I will be pounding the garlic too, and that will be mixed well with the chutney. See, I can see one garlic piece there. So later I will again pound that garlic alone so that it will merge with the peanut chutney. And it's just yummy, you see, you must try this. Okay, so I did take a little time on the grinding stone being faster, and well, you can use your mixer, right? But give pulse grinding and you will not get this taste, that much I can promise you. You have to do this, you have to pound this chutney so you get that taste that I love. That I love, really, it's really different, because many times I use my mixer, but it is not the same. So here goes, the chutney is getting slowly ready, and you can keep this outside, it will not get spoiled, and you can even keep it in the fridge, that is safer. Okay, like for vegetarian days I keep my chutneys out on the dining table, and during weekends and all that I keep it in the fridge so that it stays as it is. Fine. So do try this peanut chutney. I've already shared this video in Marathi, and I've shared another peanut chutney with completely different ingredients like dry coconut and all that. So you have a choice. Okay, this chutney looks good because of the color. So here I have done, while talking to you, I've completely finished all the grinding work. Now what I have to do is just store it in a airtight bottle, preferably a glass bottle. Now before storing this chutney in the glass bottle, I will again mix it well, and see that the garlic pieces are mixed well in the chutney. And this has to be dry. You get it in the shops, so they add because it is stored in the plastic packet or in the bottle, they have that wet look, but the original chutney has to look like this. It's a dry chutney. Fine. So don't worry about the shops, they look different. This is homemade chutney, and this is exactly how I have it at my place and in the villages. So here I will start storing, keeping it. Let me taste before storing it in the bottle to check if the salt and all is fine. Yummy, just yummy. It's very tasty, and now I'm going to store it in the bottle. This taste, the chutney is not only tasty, but it is so nutritious, and the peanuts are really a good way to have your meals. It's a nutritious chutney, so you can have this every day. There's no harm. 1 teaspoon of this chutney will change the taste of your lunch. You can have this peanut dry chutney with your Talpade for breakfast. They're just yummy. The combination is superb. So do try this chutney and give me your feedback. Please press the button like and share this recipe with your friends. And if you're new, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.